Good morning, Shravan sir. Good evening, everyone, and to our talk speakers, our talk gratitude team. I am Kushala, pursuing first year food technology. Now, I warmly welcome you all to today's talk talk. It's my pleasure to be the moderator for this session. Now, let us start the session with an invocation and gratitude story. Now, I would like Deepthi to tell the invocation. Over to you, Deepthi.
Powerful we are, compassionate we are, genius we are, adventurous we are, disruptive we are, distinctive we are, beautiful we are, revolutionaries we are, empathetic we are, courageous we are, grateful we are, attentive we are, learners we are, incitement we are, rebellious we are, heartful we are, inspiring we are, leaders we are, healers we are, champion we are, yes, powerful we are. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepthi. Now, I would like Vivekta to tell a gratitude story. Over to you, Vivekta.
Thank you, Kushana. So, it was a breezy Saturday evening. All members of Top Easel got together to show our gratitude to one of our beloved Top mentors, Dr. Suhas Kumarji, for upskilling us with some tools of Lean Six Sigma. All Top Easel students, as Sir calls us, made beautiful and heartwarming cards. We all presented those cards in the form of a video thanking Sir and all his family members for their support. While watching the video, Sir and Sir's wife, Rajeshwari ma'am, had glimmer of happiness, excitement, and surprise. Suhas sir was very much mesmerized with the short, sweet, and simple gesture which we fortunately could arrange. All these and these few words but which Sir uttered out of contentment, which Sir could experience with our gratitude. So these were Sir's words. So wonderful. These kids are lovely, smart, and witty. Wish them all the best. Thank you so much for such a beautiful surprise this morning. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivekta. Now let us get into the session. I'm so fortunate to introduce today's top speakers who are our soul of ESL Top Gratitude team. Gratitude is a beautiful way of enriching our lives. It refers to the feeling and attitude of appreciation and thankfulness for the good which we receive in life. It has been proved scientifically that when we express our gratitude to other people, we feel happier and calmer. Gratitude can change your life because it is the single most powerful source of inspiration that any person can tap into if they simply just stop and pay attention to the simplistic beauty and miracle of life. Our Avatar Gratitude team has been doing a remarkable job. They consistently have been sending cards, touching every one of us with their beautiful writings and connecting with the hearts. They are coming up with a lot of new ideas and ways to implement them. We are grateful to have our Thok Gratitude team. We are happy to receive cards from the Thok Gratitude team. They are helping us to acknowledge the goodness in life. So, without any further ado, let's listen to our Thok people's voice. Over to you, Gratitude team.
Thank you, Kushla, for wonderful words. Hi,
Hello.
Namaskar.
Vanakkam.
नमस्ते.
કેમ છો?
आदाब।
नमस्कारम।
Sat Sri Akal.
नमस्कारः।
Let us start the magic of attitude of gratitude.
Gratitude is the attitude of making life beautiful.
గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ అనే జీవితం ఆనందమైన సముద్రం.
లైఫ్ అనేది అంబరమే గ్రాటిట్యూడ్లోనే ఉంది.
టెన్షన్స్ అన్ని దండగా గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ ఉంటే పండగ.
జీవన్ కా ఉపహార్ దిల్ కా ఆధార్.
కష్టంతో చదివితే వస్తుంది స్ట్రెస్, ఇష్టంతో అందరికి హ్యాపీనెస్ పంచే పెద్ద దిక్కు మా గ్రేట్ఫుల్నెస్.
Explore you, say thank you.
अरे रे रे रे
Gratitude. Gratitude is the attitude of making lives beautiful.
अरे रे 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 మంటూ పోదాం.
ఎక్కడికి రా?
గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ టీమ్ కి గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ వాళ్ళలోకి రా.
जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार में भूल नहीं जाना रे, सच्चा मेरा प्यार है जान मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे.
Yes.
Let's go into our team. Now, I will talk about my team, one of my team members. Love is her nasha. Kindness and happiness is her bhasha.
Wah, wah.
Introducing our Asha.
Wah,
Wow,
wah.
wow, 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 Caprio.
Thank you, Ika. Hello, everyone. I am Jia Shajati. Before I tell you what is gratitude, I want to share my journey, how I started with a small story, uh, which resemble how I started. Initially, once upon a time, a mother came to a son and gave a sapling, telling him that plant this sapling. The boy don't have any idea about the sapling and he's not interested with it. But as her mother always suggests him a good thing, he believed in her words and planted the sapling. As soon as when he's planting a sapling, he felt the greatness of the plant, and slowly he increased the love towards it, and he started planting many more saplings. Here comes the story with Shravan sir, who gave me a sapling of gratitude and said to do it. Even though I don't have a proper idea regarding that, I believed in his words and thought process, and I started planting gratitude saplings. And thereon, I enjoyed it, and I realized the greatness of it. And when I started planting gratitude of attitude in my brain, I got many changes in me. I got to know how to respect others. I started seeing positive side of one's work. I increased my positive energy while I'm doing it. It created many friendships and also increased the strengths of previous one. And also getting to know about myself by getting cards from others. Thank you. And now I want to share one poem regarding my teammate. ए लड़, एक लड़की है हमारे बीच जिसका सीरत है सबका प्यारी, हमेशा हंसती हंसाती है, खेलती कूदती है, खुदा की कसम उसकी दुनिया है सबका प्यारी, गाती है रैप उसका नाम लेते ही सबका खुशी स्टार्ट, जिसका नाम है निवेदिता. Now I call upon Nivedita from our gratitude team.
Thank you so much, Asha Akka. Yeah. So, gratitude. What comes in your mind when you think about it? For me, whenever I think about it, I will get happiness. You might be thinking how. I will explain you now. Gratitude is something which is truly shown to a person for whom we care the most. It means you're comforting them with your love. It means you're making them feel unique, special, and strong. It means you're adding value to others. It means you're adding value to yourself. It means you're creating a positive environment where everyone is loving to be with you. These all kind of emotions which you are going through while expressing gratitude is happiness. Now you got it right. That's how gratitude made me realize the power of gratitude. When it comes to my team, I think I got a best team where each one of us supports me, cares me a lot. Every one of us making me feel like they are family to me. They all are there for me in my hard times. I'm always grateful for having them in my life and should thank specially Shravan sir for giving me such a beautiful team. They are best, talented, wonderful, energetic, responsible, and many more. I love my team a lot. Whenever I feel low or sad, I remember my gratitude team and will feel blessed that they all care me so much. They all give me value for who I am. That's how our bond is special. We provide value to each other, which is very important in general. When we give value to other opinions, thoughts, and whole in person, then we can find the best bond. I can say my team knows how to be with everyone, how to care everyone, how to respect everyone, and how to value everyone. That's the reason our bond is growing day by day. We respect each other. I can strongly say we follow most of the rules which are included in TOEFL value system. Gratitude is a feeling which one can understand only when they experience it. I understood it while writing cards. I wrote numerous cards till now, but whenever I write a card, it makes me special. It gives me energy to write more cards. It is like a blissful feeling. It is like a therapy for me because whenever I feel like I'm not mentally stable, then I will write cards or I will spend time on gratitude, will take time for myself to come back stronger. I can say gratitude made me stronger than how I used to be in past. There are a lot more changes happened in me because of gratitude. I'm able to express myself through gratitude. I'm able to find my strengths, my weaknesses, my power, and my whole self through gratitude. I don't know about other things, but if you ask me to write about gratitude, then I would write up to infinite. It teaches us many things which we all need to learn from our childhood. I'm very happy to be a part of the gratitude team. I should thank Shravan sir for adding me in this group. I just don't know, but I feel like Sir knows everything about me, like how my father knows everything about me without me telling him. My father knows everything. He understands me very much. Like my father, Shravan Sir too understand my abilities and have made me who I am now. My happiness and my growth is only because of Shravan Sir. Our gratitude towards you always increases, sir. Now I should thank Shivani Akka for always supporting me, for being in my hard times, teaching me many wonderful things which one should know as a human. And I would also like to thank Supraja, Praneeth, Shravanti, Spurti, Sandhya, Vaishnavi, Nishita, Asha Akka, Sanjana Akka for always being there for me and also for each other every time. Our cute sticker fights always inspires me. You all inspire me very much each and every day. Thank you, gratitude team. I'm proud of you all. Now, నవ్వితే క్యూట్ అలిగితే స్వీట్ మా శ్రవంతి అంటేనే బ్యూటీకి స్పాట్.
Thank you, Nivi. Good evening, everyone. I'm Shravanti from Top Gratitude team. Let me share my experience with my team. At the initial days, when Shravan sir suggested me to join this team, I thought it involves only making cards. But once I stepped into this team, I realized that it was more than that. I got this team who stands the exact definition for a team. How many of us can get a team who are supportive, caring, who can take the initiation and complete the work efficiently in the absence of others, where criticization and complaints have no place but people are only appreciated for their works, where innovative ideas are always encouraged and implemented, and the top of all, a leader who is no superior to others when it comes to work and who can assign and the top of all, a leader who is no superior to others when it comes to work and who can assign works among us and lead the team efficiently. Yeah, I got a team with all the above qualities. The best part about this team is that it has become a constant reminder in my life that I should live in this gratitude mindset. Most of the times, whenever negative thoughts start peeping into my mind, I just think of the things that I should be grateful for. The major change is that I started appreciating everybody, and a few people even felt that I was just trying to impress them. And before joining this team, I used to appreciate them if their work is extraordinary or if I liked it badly. But now I'm appreciating others for at least giving it a try and grabbing opportunities because the rest is not in our hands. At the beginning, I used to complete my work in time, but Shivani Akka taught us not to see the work as tasks, but to do them with heart and to enjoy whatever we do. This really impacted me a lot, and I started taking initiative in the absence of others. Thank you so much, Raman sir, for making me a part of this amazing team. Shivani Akka, for letting us know the essence of gratitude through your words. My team, my gems, for all your support. If I'm able to teach how to express gratitude to a single person just the way I practiced it, then I think my job is done. The perks of being grateful is that you find reasons in little things that you should be grateful for. So, in this treasure hunt of gratitude, Let's find the reasons, be grateful, and be happy. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Now, Nishu the superstar, Tirguleni wonder star.
Thank you, Shavanti. Hello, everyone. I am Nishita from Top Gratitude Team. So now I just want to share a small experience like on Gratitude Team because like if I go on telling, there will be a big list to tell about Gratitude Team. So Gratitude Team is one of the main pillars of our ESL. Like in the beginning when I joined the Gratitude Team, like I felt excited and I felt very happy. And when I joined, it was not that active. Like it was active but not proactive. But after having meets with Shravan sir and Shivani Akka, like we discussed many things, and Shravan sir added a lot of value to our Gratitude Team, and sir told about the value of gratitude, and then we just started working on our top gratitude team, like how to take it to another level. Then we just implemented our plans and made it more strong. Now it is in another level, I can say. Like we will just enjoy doing the work in the top gratitude team. So being gratitude is like very much important in our life. Like I realized it after entering into the ESL. So being gratitude is the way the success begins, I believe, because I personally experienced it. When I receive a card or I send a card, the replies will be like amazing. Like there are no words to express about it. And even and about our team lead Shivani Akka. Shivani Akka like always inspires us by sending cards, and like she will be always supporting us, encouraging us. And when it comes to our team, like each and everyone are like amazing. Each and everyone has different unique ideas. When the top talk comes, we will just start working on it. We'll just enjoy the work, and never we feel it as a work. We just go on doing it, and we find happiness in doing work. And whatever projects I'm doing, in overall I feel gratitude team, like it brings more happiness to me. When I feel low, or when I'm feeling little bit low, then I work for gratitude team. Like it brings me happiness, and like my mind will be stress relief. And I am so happy to be a part of top gratitude team, and it is making more powerful day by day. And about our Shravan sir, like thank you so much Shravan sir, who gave me opportunity to be a part of this team. And also like we enjoy doing cards for our top speakers. Like we will get very good responses from them, and we just after coming the replies also, we'll just forward into that groups, and it will be amazing. And overall I can say it is a happy team, gratitude team. Thank you. Now, come on, she's the one who cares, laughs, loves, and makes us happy. సుప్పి అందరి కోసం ఉంటుంది స్వీట్, తన బిగ్ హార్ట్ తో అందరినీ హ్యాపీగా ఉంచడం క్యూట్. ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ అవర్ సుప్పి.
Thank you, Nishita. So, hello everyone. I am Supraja from Top Gratitude Team. Gratitude. This word just filled my life with happiness. From the moment I got a chance to be part of this amazing team, my days filled with my teammates. They never let us down. They always support. Whenever we have meet, they are not just meets. They turn to heaven, where we can find ourselves. Gratitude gave me an opportunity to thank my loved ones who are always there for me, and they had a great impact in my life. I started to be grateful for everything I have. I'm just enjoying each and every moment of my life because of gratitude. Whenever we think of gratitude, we can see beauty in everything. I guess this reason is enough to be happy in life. Now, let me introduce one of our friends. We call our Sandhya as Sandy. She is as cute as candy.
Hello everyone, I'm Sandhya from Top Gratitude Team. I want to share my experience with my Top Gratitude Team. I saw the best team and best teamwork ever. Very happy to have a team like this and feeling fortunate to be part of it. Now I want to just share my bonding with my gratitude mates. Firstly, it will be always our Shivani Akka. Like saying about Shivani Akka means it takes lot of time because of her love, care is unconditional and infinity. And we literally all of us fight for Shivani Akka, and we enjoy that and we love that. And thank you Infinity for everything, Akka. Next is Shravanti. She's already being my best friend, and here she became my closest than ever. If I need any help or assistance, she will be the first person I'll go and ask. Thank you, Shravanti, for always being there for me. And Nivi, she will be one who is very close to my heart. And I like her so much, the way she respects everyone, the way she do her work very dedicated. And I learned many things from her. Thank you, Nivi. Supraja and we all call her Supi, and she is the coolest person and one of my close friends. She's always there for everyone. Thank you, Supi. Pranit, even though he joined late but connected like ever, he's sweet and very close to me and had a great day with him on his birthday. Nista, she's so supportive and so sweet and had a lot of fun with her when we have met. Spurti is very calm and kind to everyone, and she made a video of her journey. I really liked it. Thank you so much, Spurti. Vaishu, she will be the most sweetest person in our team, and I really liked her daily quotes very much. Asha Akka is she's like very so unique and so sweet of you, Akka. Sanjana Akka, even though she has got job, Akka is very much interested in joining our group. Thank you so much, Akka. Like here, everyone are there for each other, and everyone has their importance, and everyone are connected by hearts, and have bunch of memories with all of them. And thank you everyone for all beautiful moments. And I have learned some life lessons here. That's the beauty here. We care, we learn, we realize, we enjoy, we work. And very grateful to be part of Top Gratitude team. Thank you, gratitude, for making my life beautiful. And this will be the best part of my life. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Now I would like to introduce one of my teammates. She's Chinu Akka's sister, sweeter than sugar, cuter than flower, and it's our Vaishnavi.
Wow, thank you, Sandhya. Hi, everyone. I am Vaishnavi from Jayaprakash Narayana College of Engineering. I am really very happy to join this beautiful family of Top Gratitude team. I have learned so many things and I met many new people through this family. I can say that I have a big family now. I would like to thank you, Shravan sir, who attended who attended me to FAM, and Supraja, who let me know about this community. Shivani Akka, you are like my own sister. You support and you are shows me love, and he is my own sister. May feel this many own family. Without you, I had really missed most part of this family. And coming to grateful cards and videos, we are connected to many people this family. After him, senior Chandanana has connected to a lot. There might be reason that we are from same district. To get further, Lidu Akka, just a phone call, then boom, it gave me a best sister in my life. Getting next, Teju Akka. I always wanted to talk to her and spend with time with her and did it. And now I am with a one of best sister. And recently Asha Akka, Apurva and Sanjana Akka has also become closer to my besties Shravanti, Nivi, Sandhya, Spurti, Supraja, Nishita and Pranit. And this list of has space in my words, but has occupied my heart and give me many memories. Thank you, Top Gratitude team. We always just look forward to hear someone hot with just showing we meeting. We have meetings. It was really simple thing at deep in heart. I am really heartful. Thank you for what I get my life. Thank you, Top Gratitude team. Thank you for being with me, my crust and stuff. Love you all forever. With love and gratitude. Your loving Vaishu. I tell something about my bestie. ప్రణీతమ్మో ప్రణీతు చెప్పిన మాట వింటాడు ఏది చెప్పినా చేస్తాడు ఇతనే అమ్మ మా ఫ్రెండ్.
Thank you so much, Vaishali. Hello everyone, I am Praneet. So I have been in this journey from couple of weeks and I am experienced so much. So let me tell you something. So I went to a shop and I bought a commodity. I came home and I felt something weird. It was really something weird. So I didn't understood what I was feeling like. It was something I'm missing in my life. And the next time when I went to the shop, I took the commodity. I just thanked her. So this time I didn't feel that feeling. I didn't have that instinct. So this gratitude made me complete. Like it became part and parcel of my life. And today morning itself, when I got up, the first thing came to my mind was, "Thank you, Pranit, for getting up early morning." Like gratitude has been occupied total mind that I'm not having any negative thoughts. I'm only thinking about gratitude. How can be I excel in gratitude? How can I show my gratitude to everyone? How can I be grateful for everything I have? Thank you so much, everyone, for making me part of this. Thank you, Shawn sir, for joining me in this wonderful thing. Thank you for giving me a wonderful family. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. So let me introduce my one of my best friend. She is good. She is kind. She takes up responsibility. Spurti never let us down.
Thank you, Praneeth. It was so sweet. Good evening, all. I got the first card from Shivani Akka, which really made my day, and the journey started. About me in the Stoke Gratitude team is little. I'm introvert in this journey, and it became an extrovert. And we are like family. We make jokes on others, and even with Shivani Akka, we never feel a burden on task. We think it's a casual work. This team learned many things: how to be positive, bold, and actually made me strong. Really, gratitude brings a positive vibe. I'm unable to express my feelings how my teammates are good at me, but thanks. I would like to thank each and everyone over here for supporting everything. Especially thank you, Shravan sir, Shivani Akka, and my teammates for supporting and making my life very beautiful. Thank you. Just I want to introduce one extraordinary person. Gratitude ante ఆనందం. శివాని అక్క ఉంటే ఆనందమైన జీవితం. మా శివాని అక్క. Over to you, అక్క.
Thank you, Spurti. Novena Spurti. So, hello all. Gratitude is a beautiful thing in my life, which changed me so much. My gratitude journey has started when my dear friend and my mentor Shravan sir has told the importance of gratitude and how he applied this into his life and made it easier. It was a video of Jesse who returned 3,000 cards a year to people around the world, which was shared in our groups. And then my gratitude making cards journey has started. Then Asha and Hashim joined our team and they wrote the book Attitude of Gratitude, which was another beautiful thing in my life. Now I am into a very beautiful team. The dimension of gratitude is increasing day by day. I learn a lot from them. We have regular meetings every week. We enjoy talking. So the things I learned from my little champs: Nishita, humbleness; Nivedita, being responsible; Spurti, patience; Shravanti, smile; Supraja, taking initiative; Sandy, being respectful; Sanjana Akka, love; Praneeth, he makes me laugh; Vaishu, making fun; Asha, being energetic; Hashim, being creative. Gratitude is magical. Gratitude is a feeling which makes you feel lighter and happier. Gratitude makes you humble. Gratitude made me understand emotions. Gratitude helped me explore the things which I already have in my life, which many people don't have and for which they are struggling a lot. I started helping my mother with a sense of gratitude, and it was another feeling which I never experienced helping my mother earlier. Something happened, some magic happened. Same happened with my mother, sister, father, and others. Then I realized that if you feel grateful, that's enough. Magic happens. A true and pure magic happens with gratitude. You start seeing beauty in others. Gratitude lets you look at others the way they are. You start smiling at the world. Things which would take just 10 uh, which would take 10 minutes to complete, you start completing it in 5 minutes or keep reducing the time. It happens because when you are grateful, you focus more on the present. You see now more. It is such a simple thing. Gratitude is a way to appreciate life. Appreciation is again another branch of gratitude tree, just like love and kindness. When you appreciate others, they feel important. And what else does a human being need, right? Another beautiful thing about gratitude is it connects hearts. You need not do anything. You just have to be grateful, appreciate, be kind, and love others. As simple as that. Our team became stronger with gratitude. Our ESL team. We all started looking and appreciating each other the way we are. We all started respecting ourselves and others. This was the reason for our strong friendships. Agree? Everything in this world appeared so beautiful, and now to me, when gratitude was added into my life. What makes gratitude special? What makes gratitude special? It is not that it makes everything positive, but it helps us when things go wrong or negative. It enters and says, hey, look at this. You have so many good things for which you should be grateful for. And that's it. It is the transformation it does, it is the magic it does. My journey of gratitude is this way. It was a feeling, it was a good feeling. It became a great feeling. It became a magic. It became my habit. And now, my obsession. Now, I would like to talk about another teammate. Creativity is in his blood. He is a gem. Introducing our Hashim. Hashim.
Thank you, Shivani Akka. So, hello everyone. I'm Hashim. So, yeah, I have been quite far from all the activities happening here in the Top Gratitude team, but I have always been constantly updating myself with what was going on in the group. Yeah, so I would start with the thing that made this initiation. That is, I remember I've got a call from Asha in March 2020 when all the things were going wrong and the lockdown was imposed. Uh, and this was completely a different world for all of us. And then came a call from Asha that about like regarding the gratitude team. I mean, it was not as a team, but as an idea, which was related to the Jesse's video Shivani Akka just talked about, and she asked me if I was interested, and I was like, yeah, okay, let's go for it. Then Shivani Akka and Asha, I mean, along with them, I started working upon it, and together we created like we took the responsibility of sharing the cards and gathering them, and with the help of Shivani Akka and Asha, like we created we had an idea of like implementing it in a form of book. So we started gathering all the stuff and we were writing up notes so that we could use it as some kind of chapters. And after that, we created a book. This was something very inspiring for I mean, yeah, for me, because I have always dreamt of like writing book because I was interested in like poems and stories and all right from my childhood, and this was like a dream coming true for me. And all this thing was possible because of Shivani Akka and Asha, and they were constantly supporting me. And yes, how can I forget Shravan sir, because he was the one who who inculcated this habit of gratitude in us. And after that, when the book was done, and our first years came and they started joining the Top Gratitude team, and this was something very overwhelming because we were like a tree, and we started growing, and now there are different branches, and all these branches are working in different directions to spread gratitude, but our root is one, that is gratitude. So I would like to thank Shravan sir once again for this opportunity, and special thanks to Shivani Akka and Asha also for always supporting me, and to all the juniors who are taking this forward. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Hashim. So, team, come on.
Yeah. We all need that someone who
Who
gets
gets you like no one else right when you need it the
it the
most.
most. We all need
We
We
all
all
need a
need a
like
soldier
soldier
to
on our
cry on the
shoulder
shoulder to pray.
to cry
through the highs and the
and
lows. I'm
lows.
not gonna make it alone. La la
La
la.
la
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 la la la la la la.
la la
I'm not gonna make it
la
alone.
la
La
la la
La
la
la
la
la la la
la
la
la.
alone.
Hello, happy people. You have all seen my team expressing their journey with their words. Now, my friend Nivi will present our our journey video.
Thank you, Spurti.
నువ్వేమిచ్చావో నీకైనాది తెలుసునా నేనేం పొందానో నా మౌనం నీకు తెలిపేనా కనులే మెరిసిపోవా నీలో నవ్వు చూడగా హృదయం మురిసిపోదా తనలో బరువు తీరగా ఇన్నాళ్ళుగా నాకు కూడా లేని నేను ఈ రోజునే కొత్తగా జన్మించ నీలోని ఆనందమై నువ్వేమిచ్చావో తెలుసా వెతికే కదా నీ వల్లే కదా కలిసా నన్నే నేనిలా నువ్వేమిచ్చావో నీకైనాది తెలుసునా
This is
A journey of togetherness, a journey of bright smiles, a journey of million memories, a journey of connecting hearts, a journey of gratefulness, a journey of never-ending tales of love. We are into it and we are proud of it. This is our journey of gratitude, our obsession.
You all have seen this video and we all are very happy to see your smiling faces. Supraja, don't you think we have wonderful audience with us?
Yes, Paishu. We have a good listening audience. I'm happy that everyone here has come on time to just to listen to us. Pranit, shall we go and talk to our dear audience?
Yes, Supi, let's go. Hello, smiling people. Our team wants to hear from you, and we have few questions. Shravanti, do you have any ideas to make this easy?
Oh yes, Praneeth. I think we should ask them to raise their hands and talk to them. What say, Nishita?
Yeah, my dear and near to our hearts audience. Can you raise your hands so that we will ask you one question? No, Divi, go ahead.
Yeah. Is there anyone who raised your hands? Wow. Okay. Hey, thank you for raising your hands. Now I would like Teju Akka to answer. So, like, what? Oh, wow, many raised. Yeah. What do you like about Lidvij Akka?
Oh, she's my buddy. Complete my buddy because I could not say one point to tell. She's a very complete girl with all energy, passionate, inspiration, and caring, loving. So what not? No one thing. She's a girl of completeness.
Wow.
Thank you for asking. I thought you will give me a chance to speak about gratitude. Okay.
We will do it then.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put my hand rise up. Okay.
Yes, Akka. Thank you, Teju Akka. Yeah. Topisal. Apurva? Yeah. So, like, what is the one thing you get inspired from Kushala?
Calmness, and she can convey many things in simple words.
Thank you, Apurva. Kushala, what is one positive thing you like in Supraja?
Actually, the way Supraja talks, she's so sweet person that I want to talk to her 24/7. Even though we don't talk in call so much, we text each other. Recently, we have started the sticker fight also. But I like her so much, the way she talks. She cares. Thank you.
Thank you, Kushala. Vivikta, what is the one what is the one thing you get inspired from Asha Akka?
Asha Akka, Asha Akka, her sweetness, her patience, and like without asking, she cares us with so much love. Like she's amazing. The love, the selfless love. You say that right? Selfless love.
Yeah. Thank you, Vivikta. Liddu Akka, yeah. So,
yes.
What? Yeah. Who is like, yeah. What is the thing you love in Shivani Akka?
What not? Shall I not mention here? I should search for something which is not, and probably I will not find anything. It's like see how I'm super proud about Shivani Festival for making you all like see how grateful you are for like, how we are all like, grateful to her. The most if I had to say one thing that I love from her hug. That gives so much energy that just takes away all my negativity from me. That's I always mention it whenever I get a chance to speak about Shivani. In hostel, I just forget about my mom. Like, whenever the thing comes, like whatever the situation, Shivani just comes and tell me what happened. Nothing. She comes and hug you, That's
Wow. Thank you so much, Akka. Within your talk, we got many comments, many compliments to Shivani Akka. Yeah. Wow.
Yes, and everybody loves her smile. And like not only her smile, when we both laugh together, it will give
Rhythmic laugh.
Rhythmic laugh. Just like you all, I just love her.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shiva, for doing everything. And I should say this like, aha, అసలు ఎంత బాగా చేశారు. Wow.
It is not ended.
I think everyone is complete. Oh, Teju Akka?
No, she spoke. She spoke. Sandy?
Yeah, thank you, dear team, for helping us know you better. Now let us see a beautiful video.
Thank you, Sandhya.
Teju, you can lower your hand. Your hand may pain.
Thank you, Shiva.
Hello everyone, I am Nishita from the Gratitude team. Here comes the play one. A kid sitting under a tree, very sad. And now a gratitude team member comes to him. And now here the conversation starts.
Hey kid, what happened? Hey cutie, what has happened here?
Nothing. No one is asking me to play with them. They all left me.
Let's play then.
Yahoo! Hooray! Thank you.
Here for you, don't worry. Now, please smile. Let's play.
Okay, Akkalu.
Here comes the play two. A teenage boy sits with a very bad mood and his intermediate exams have been announced. Now the gratitude team member visits him. Here the conversation starts.
Hey dear, what happened? Why are you so dull? I have heard that you have done with your exams. Let's enjoy.
No, it's all over. I'm failed in 3 subjects.
Okay, buddy, don't worry. This is not over.
Thanks, buddy. It really means a lot for me.
All love, I'm always there for you, my dear. Be happy all the time.
Lots of love for you.
Here comes the play 3. A small fight between a dad and a daughter regarding electronic devices. Here the conversation starts.
Everything I ask you, you don't give me anything.
Please understand the situation, dear. Hey, Kutti.
Hey daddy.
I got you something.
I too. Show me first. Here is something for you, dad.
Love you, dear.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
I cannot hear you. Are you excited?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Shravanti and Sandy.
Gratitude is unlocking many hearts.
Shravanti, any reason you told this?
Yes, dear. I'm just wondering how we started and where we are going to make people happy.
Are you talking about the idea we worked on an old age home?
Yeah, did you see? One day we made cards for Nivedita's teacher, who is unknown to us and was not feeling well. Later, she felt happy and now doing it. Do you remember?
Yeah, I do remember, Shravanti. That is when Sanjanaka came with this idea to make orphan people, old age people, and other people around us happy.
Yes. She immediately contacted one of the old age homes and told the head about our idea. And he was blown away and immediately said that he will send the information of the people living there.
We all were excited that time, and as soon as we received it, we all made cards appreciating them.
Yes, we sent our videos to the head of that old age home. Sandy, do you remember what was his reply?
He said, I really have no words for the awesome work you all did. Just don't know how else I can respond to your team. I so love the work. Please convey my best wishes to your team and do tell them I have great respects to each of them for this act of humanity. He has shown that cards to all of them and everyone felt happy.
Yeah, it was not hard for us, right?
This is what happens when we use our hearts.
Thank you, Shravanti and Sandy. Now we are done with our magic. Let us sing a song. Yes, let us sing a song. I would like everyone to turn on their cameras. and just enjoy the atmosphere we have created with the gratitude with this beautiful song. If you can sing along with us, please unmute and go ahead. Team, are you ready?
Yes.
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 So I would be sharing the lyrics and chat box. Just few lines.
Let us also dance.
Yeah, let us also dance. 1, 2, 3, start. खो गए हम कहाँ रंग साए जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादुई इमारतें हैं मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते हैं उड़ते हैं यहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंग साए जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंग साए जहाँ. Shall we try it again? I think you are okay with the tune now. Yeah, let us do it. 1, 2, 3. खो गए हम कहाँ रंग साए जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं जादुई इमारतें हैं मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ रंग साए जहाँ. Thank you. Nishita?
Yes, sir. So this means we are all lost in a world which is full of colors and magic. You exist here, and I too exist. Exploring the unknown, we are all dancing and flying here. This is our world, our gratitude world, and this is our story.
We as a team have been on this journey, and I can say that it is wonderful and amazing time we are spending for each other on a beautiful called gratitude. We are very grateful this universe which made everything happy so magically. We are grateful to our Shravan sir who was there with us since the start of this journey.
We would also like to thank each and everyone in our Top ESL family who understood the power of gratitude and started believing and using it in their lives every single day. If you have not believed in it, we don't think our gratitude journey would be this much wonderful.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాద్.
मेहरबानी.
Nandri.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
आभार. अनुग्रहतोस्मि. अनुग्रहतस्मि.
Shukriya.
ధన్యవాదಗಳು.
Thank you. Any more final comments or questions for us?
Yes, actually, gratitude team always prepares something new and inspires everyone. Like you always encourage and energize the sessions. Even now, I'm very surprised. Even I think everyone's surprised here with their new activities and everything. And also, we have prepared something special for you. Apurva, go ahead.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, Apu.
Yes, Apurva.
Hello, happy people. These magical words mesmerize us, take us to the world of infinite smiles, into the hearts of boundless love. Our Top family, our Top gratitude team, a beautiful constellation of stars, truthful connection of hearts. Values are our virtues. Gratitude is our way of life. This is all because of our Top gratitude team. Every card is a happiness creator. Every word comes out with love. Every moment they spread happiness. We are grateful to our gratitude team. Let us unleash the infinite potential of gratitude together. Happy thanking. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Apurva.
Thank you,
So,
Apurva. So, anyone has
I
any
have a
comments or
question.
Can we
I have a
all unmute ourselves and clap for these amazing presentations?
So good, so good. The thought process has changed.
Dear So Gratitude team, we love you, we adore you, we admire you. We just loved your talk. It was a beautiful and lovely interaction. There was so much to learn from you guys. Thank you for letting us know the importance of gratitude every day. As Nikilana said, you are the energy house, the powerhouse of our Top family. Keep rocking as always. From your happy people.
Thank you, Lido. Thank you, team. Yes, Swapna.
Yes, Akka. I want to share a poetry. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Swapna. Go ahead.
ఓకే. రోజులు గడుస్తున్నాయి. మనుషుల మధ్య ప్రేమ పెంచుకునే వాళ్ళు పెంచుకుంటున్నారు. తగ్గించుకునే వాళ్ళు తగ్గించుకుంటున్నారు. సమాజం కూడా మారిపోతుంది. కానీ ఒక్కసారి మనిషి గుండెల్లో పుట్టిన కృతజ్ఞత భావం మాత్రం అలాగే ఉంటుంది. ఆ కృతజ్ఞత భావం ఉంటే చాలు, ఏమైనా చెయ్యొచ్చు. అలాంటి కృతజ్ఞత మనకు గుర్తు చేస్తున్న మన గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ టీమ్ కి నా యొక్క కృతజ్ఞత.
Wow.
Thank you, Swapna.
That's amazing.
Thank you, Swapna.
Do anyone have any questions or comments?
Yeah, I want to just tell one word, one sentence, okay? I'm so glad that you guys and boys are learning about gratitude, the importance of gratitude in your life at this stage. And you will see the beauty as you go ahead in your lives that this gratitude brings. Everything will respond to gratitude. Everything. I mean, human beings and everything in nature, even the plants and animals and environment and situations, everything will respond. So it is a sort of the gratitude is for existing. You're existing, everything you will start realizing everything is so good for you. And you look at all the unfortunate people with so much kindness and care, attention. So that actually is what has been missing in this world, and that is what is disappearing. The fact that it has been kindled in you by Shravan and you're all responding positively to that, and I'm thinking that you will spread this as you imbibe it more and more inside you. It'll spread automatically. It will spread. It's a sort of contagious disease. So gratitude keeps spreading, and that's a wonderful feeling. I'm feeling so good that I attended this session. You're doing great, guys, and go ahead. Feeling good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm just feeling like there is so much like అసలు ఎంత మాట్లాడినా తక్కువే మీ గురించి తెలుసా. అంటే the way you started, the way you carried out, the way you ended it, like it is very unique. అంత బాగా చేయవచ్చా? Like there was no presentation, there was no preparation of any slide or something like that, but how beautifully you have carried out like the thing. How much coordination do you all guys have? Wow. And ఎవరైనా ఎక్కడైనా ఆగిపోతే the way you continued it, like the way you let us smile. Wow. You know, like ఎవరో ఒకరు ఏదో ఒక దగ్గర మ్యాజిక్ లైక్ ఒక స్మైల్ అయితే పక్కా ఒక రోజు గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ వల్లనే వస్తుంది. ఒక మూమెంట్ ప్రతిరోజు ఒక స్మైల్, దట్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ గ్రాటిట్యూడ్. దట్ the culture you have created around all the people, like it may be like not from you people, but the culture you have created in the other people, they are creating happiness for us. Indirectly or directly, you are making all of that happen. And this is like very recently Triveni has said this, like Shivani's baby has grown, like she's growing, and yes, all your baby, it is all your baby, and it's just growing, and it's just making smile, like చిన్న పిల్లల్ని చూస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ ఒక స్మైల్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. It's just the way, like the gratitude is such a beautiful and bliss divine thing, and you all making it like ఎంత బాగా క్యారీ చేస్తున్నారు అందరి లైఫ్స్ లో అది తీసుకురావడానికి. అంటే everything, like I was like it was just out of అరే అన్ని తోప్ టాక్స్ కి ఇట్లా ఎంత మంచిగా లైక్ యు ఎండెడ్ సో, అంటే దానికి ఒక పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంప్లీట్నెస్ తీసుకొస్తారు. ద వే యు షో ఇట్, ద వే యు క్రియేట్ ఇట్, అండ్ అసలు అందరి స్మైల్స్ అసలు ఎంత బాగున్నారు మీరు అందరూ. ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ యూ గైస్ లైక్ ఫర్ అనదర్ అవర్. I want to talk about each and every one of you. Like, wow. And your confidence, like మీరు అంటే మీ మీటింగ్స్ లో ఎంత ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడి ఉంటారు. That means like in a very short span you all have grown so much, and your confidence, like when you compare yourself, like first time మీరు మాట్లాడినప్పుడు ఇప్పటికి, అండ్ see just అసలు మీరు భయపడట్లేదు. ఒకవేళ మీకు భయం ఉన్నా యు నో హౌ టు హ్యాండిల్ ఇట్ విత్ యువర్ లైక్ ఒక బుల్లెట్ స్మైల్ తోని, అండ్ యు ఆర్ మేకింగ్ ఇట్ లైక్ ఒక ఏమని చెప్పాలి, ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఇన్ స్కై, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఫ్లయింగ్, డాన్సింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ everyone.
Thank you very much, Lidor. I feel like hugging you now.
Oh. Need it.
Shravan sir, do you want it?
That was amazing, totally amazing. I have no words really. I am just like looking at all of you, and oh my god, I was so happy. Couple of times tears came into my eyes, and I was just somehow trying to control myself. Wow, this is, everything was fantastic there. And thank you so much. This was really good. Thank you. I think I better stop talking.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my dear friend.
Like as Shivani said, like when you people talk, we all feel light. That's very true. Like sometimes we are, and I'm not going in like మరీ ఎక్కువ స్పిరిచువల్గా వెళ్ళట్లేదు కానీ, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. లైక్ కొన్నిసార్లు కొన్ని ఎమోషన్స్ మనల్ని చాలా క్యారీ అవే చేస్తాయి. అండ్ వెన్ యూ ఆల్ పీపుల్ టాక్, ఆర్ వెన్ యూ ఆల్ పీపుల్ ట్రై టు డూ సంథింగ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్, ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ let all those emotions go out and let us feel light and live in that moment, like yes, as Shravan sir said, there were moments when just tears flow.
I personally love gratitude team so much. I don't know, I just like how they express their gratitudeness through cards. Every time I receive a card, I feel like, oh yeah, they did it again. Like I feel emotional whenever I read the card, even though it might be the normal words or the same sentences. Nothing matters. It's just the way they express their gratitudeness. That's enough for everything. I personally love them so much. Thank you so much.
Gratitude unlocks the happiness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. The gratitude have shown that. One thing I learned from the gratitude team: always be thankful for what we have. Then we will end up having more and more. If we concentrate on what we don't have, we will never ever have enough. I want to thank each and every person in the Top Gratitude team for what to say. I want to thank for each and every person in the Top Gratitude team. That's all.
Thank you, Manu. Tejashree akka.
I'm actually waiting for this chance. Yeah, that was mind blowing, heartful, grateful, superb. I want to bring all the adjectives from all languages and give it to you. Such an amazing, graceful Abba. It was started with full to graceful voices from all of you are saying, wishing everyone with different languages. I think that the behind the work you guys have done, the teamwork is mind blowing. So to come this output, I think there is a lot more work you guys have put in the behind to express this sequentially. Everything is like so sweet. In middle there are something just as just like any the Stravanti has stopped, but you guys told us to laugh. I keep laughing from the beginning. Wow, so nice. You know which part I should explain. Everything needs something. I some really good words, right? Let us all invite new language to uh, just to give a gratitude to gratitude. So nice. And I'm so happy for all the juniors. Wow, so cute you guys are. How beautifully the talks, like when you guys came from the beginning top talks, you were like okay and normal, you are talking and reading from talking. Now the way you are energy, Nishita, Nivedita, Kushila, not everybody you are guys talking. అప్పుడు ఎలా మాట్లాడారో ఇప్పుడు అసలు అలాగే లేనే లేరు. So happy for you. And coming to Shivani, I am so happy, glad. Because whenever our friends are doing something great to so many people and making them happy, I think that was the most happiest moment. She's making every heart, she's touching every heart. And like they are saying no, juniors అందరు ఇలా అంటున్నారు మా శివాని. That was so happy moment for me. At the starting nunchi I was graceful and keeping every chat, and I'm happily enjoying the session. And then you all made me emotional, but carried out. That was outstanding. No words. Outstanding ante. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ranjit?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. శ్రావణ్ సార్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ పార్టీ అయ్యేటప్పుడు శ్రావణ్ సార్ ఎమోషనల్ అయ్యారు. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఈ సెషన్లో ఎమోషన్ అయ్యారు. అంటే శ్రావణ్ సార్ ఎమోషన్ అయ్యేంతలా ఈ సెషన్ని మీరు హైలైట్ చేశారు. విత్ సాంగ్స్, విత్ వీడియోస్, విత్ యువర్ స్మైలింగ్ ఫేసెస్. I loved this session. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ranjit.
Thank you. Facebook, any more comments? Or you want to express anything to gratitude?
Kushana, we have something at the end if comments are over. Like,
ఇంకా నా ఫీల్ అయితే
we're excited. We're excited.
If everyone completed their comments, we can go for that.
I think.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Akka, can I present?
Yes, everyone.
So, 2 memes. Yeah. గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ కార్డ్ నీకు చిన్న విషయం కావచ్చు, కానీ రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్న వాళ్ళకి చాలా హ్యాపీనెస్ ఇస్తుంది. అది ఓన్లీ గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ కాదు సార్, హ్యాపీనెస్ కార్డ్ సార్ అది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ మీమ్స్ మేడ్ బై ప్రణీత్. సో నౌ we will present a video like card, 2 cards for organizing committee.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला।
So Shivaka, will you read this card?
Yeah, yes. Thank you, organizing committee, for making today's poster write up, and to all the hidden heroes behind making this talk happen. We are grateful for each and everyone's presence. We are grateful for everyone's stable internet connectivity. We are grateful for the time everyone gave today, for being grateful with the gratitude team from Top Gratitude.
बातें जरूरी है
So,
बातें जरूरी है तेरा मिलना भी जरूरी मैंने मिटा देनी ये जो तेरी मेरी दूरी
Pranit, will you read this card?
Thank you, Top organizing team, for organizing such amazing Top Talks every week. The way you put your heart, energy, and time into everything is appreciable. The background work for inviting Top speakers for the Top Talk shows how serious you are. Thank you for the wonderful Top Talk hosting, poster, and writer. Top gratitude team.
Certificate for Toply organizing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, gratitude team. Topisal, is this Apurva?
No, Krishna. This is not at all fair to gratitude team. Actually, today we thought of taking pleasure to thank you, and like you are again in reverse thanking us. This is not at all fair. But by the way, thank you so much.
Krishna, shall I?
Is it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, gratitude team, for making everyone to realize the power of attitude of gratitude. You are doing a fabulous job. Keep going. Keep inspiring every one of us with your attitude of gratitude. Keep connecting to the hearts of people. Thank you so much for giving us opportunity to show our gratitude to the gratitude team. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Madhu,
organizing
go
team.
ahead with the gratitude quote.
If you add en to the word courage, it is encourage, a positive motivation. If you add dis to word courage, it is discourage, a negative fact. It all depends on you to add suitable flavor to your life. Add positive thoughts leads to a positive life. Add negative thoughts leads to a stressful life. It is you to add and eliminate things in your life by Pulluri Rohit.
Thank you, Madhu. So, it's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks in this session. On behalf of Topisel, I must mention a deep sense of appreciation to our Top Gratitude team. And thank you, Shravan sir, for giving us this opportunity. And thank you, Meena ma'am, Mashu, and everyone for attending. And my seniors and friends for making this session more interactive and energetic. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Kushala.